Welcome to Say What Official. Today we've cooked up a fun challenge. Can you guess the food from just 2 emojis? Some are easy, some are tricky, but all are deliciously fun. Let's get started.
Can you recognize this food?
Yes, it's pickles.
All right, guess time. What food do these emojis make?
You got it, bagel with cheese.
Take a good look. What's the food here?
That's right, cornbread.
Can you crack this food emoji puzzle?
Correct, steak sandwich.
Here's a tasty one. What's the food?
Nicely done, veg dumpling.
Put the pieces together. What food is hiding in these emojis?
Yum, it's strawberry milk.
Okay, foodie, what's your guess for this one?
Cool, it's kiwi ice cream.
Here's your next challenge. Can you name this food?
Sweet coconut biscuit.
Here comes the next food riddle. What's your guess?
Perfect, cheesy potatoes.
Emoji clue time? What food are we looking at?
You got it, veggie taco.
Guess the food? What do you think it is?
That's tasty, clam chowder.
Think carefully. Which food do these emojis spell out?
Correct, peanut honey.
All right, your turn. What's the food?
Yes, broccoli pie.
Here comes a tricky one. Can you guess the food?
Right, corn noodles.
What food name do you see?
You nailed it, pickled juice.
Looks yummy. But what's the food?
Delicious, spinach curry.
Time to solve another. Which food is this?
Yes, it's grape juice.
Are you ready for this one? Guess the food.
Well done, carrot sandwich.
2 emojis, 1 answer. What's the food?
Sweet guess, peach juice.
Can you put it together? What food is it?
That's right, hazelnut chocolate.
Can you recognize this food?
Good one, mashed potatoes.
All right, guess time. What food do these emojis make?
Perfect, spinach pie.
Take a good look. What's the food here?
Fresh, it's lemonade.
Can you crack this food emoji puzzle?
Spot on, pickle salad.
Here's a tasty one. What's the food?
Yes, broccoli smoothie.
Put the pieces together. What food is hiding in these emojis?
Sweet choice, orange cake.
Okay, foodie, what's your guess for this one?
Correct, sweet corn popcorn.
Here's your next challenge. Can you name this food?
You got it, avocado sandwich.
Here comes the next food riddle. What's your guess?
Cool, watermelon ice cream.
Emoji clue time? What food are we looking at?
Nice, carrot cake roll.
Guess the food? What do you think it is?
Yes, pineapple smoothie.
Think carefully. Which food do these emojis spell out?
Right, lettuce wrap.
All right, your turn. What's the food?
Perfect, chili soup.
Here comes a tricky one. Can you guess the food?
That's tasty, pickle curry.
Spot the clue. What food name do you see?
Correct, sweet potato cake.
Looks yummy. But what's the food?
You nailed it, avocado salad.
Time to solve another. Which food is this?
Yes, lemon pie.
Are you ready for this one? Guess the food.
Sweet guess, strawberry pie.
2 emojis, 1 answer. What's the food?
That's right, broccoli soup.
Can you put it together? What food is it?
And the last one, nut milk.
Please subscribe and we will see you next time. Take care.